So I'm going to demonstrate the permission set comparison tool that we have in Query Studio. So again, it's sort of data related really, in that you might be running queries and not getting the result sets you expect, for missing fields or something's going wrong. And you may have worked in one org or sandbox and it's not working in another. And sometimes we found that permission sets are the where the problem lies. Because something happened either through deployment or some other mechanism that has maybe reverted a permission set back to an older version, or something's happened. So it's nice to just quickly visualize what the differences are between a permission set that exists across multiple orgs. And in some cases, those changes or those differences might be valid. So if we take a look at the permission set tab, we can see there's a slightly different layout, that we've got two connections. So we need to select what we want to compare. So connection A is sort of the driver, if you like. This is the thing that you're going to say, this is my permission set I want to check. I'm going to use CloudBridge. I've only got two connections that are active at the moment, so that works out quite well. And then we're going to ask it to show me the objects, and I've got one that I've set up just to test and sort of demonstrate what goes on here. So I've got this Query Studio test permission set. And if I compare that, so it's going to compare what's in CloudBridge with what's in DevOrg1, and it's going to show me a summary of what it's found. So it's found there's 28 permissions that are only in CloudBridge, 2 that are only in DevOrg1, and there's 33 that are in both but are different. So we can then go through the detail of that and say, well, okay, let's have a look. What does that mean? So we can see here that we've got the object level permissions. We've got 2 objects that are slightly different in those 2 orgs. So account status is they're different. Why are they different? And we've got these little icons that visually show you what's missing. So you can see create, edit, delete, and modify all are missing from DevOrg1. And for contact, we've got a permission set or access to that object is only in CloudBridge. So that's a quick visual. Oh, right, I need to go and take a look at that. And then we sort of go down to the field level, which shows what's different, what's in only one org, and again a visual icon that gives you a quick information there about what's actually not, what's different between the two. And that's it. And that's basically, we use it to sort of quickly visually see, what's going on between 2 orgs. Maybe that highlights a deployment issue. Maybe, a fix was deployed through source control, and somebody had an older version of a perm set and committed that change, even though it reverted. So it's it's a quick tool to do that.